So iPhone's biggest update is out now, and you get a lot of cool new features with this update. So in this video, we will talk about top 3 features of iOS 18.2. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such videos. So first, we have visual search. And this is one of the most exciting feature of iOS 18.2. You can use visual search to search for anything using the camera of your iPhone. But there's a limitation to it. You can only use visual search on the latest iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro series. So let's see how you can use visual search. Now for example, I have to find information of this object. So for this, I will press and hold this camera button. Now, I will click a photo of this object. After this, tap on search. And this will show the information of the object. The second most exciting feature of iOS 18.2 is Image Playground. So you can use Image Playground to generate art using AI. So let's see how you can do it. So for this, open this Playground app. After this, you will see all the suggestions here. You can use them to generate the image, or you can describe the image you want to generate. For example, let's say motorbike on a beach. And this will generate the image. Swipe right to see the variations. The third feature of this update is Genmoji. You can use Genmoji to create custom emoji using AI. And then you can use a Genmoji on your messages. So let's see how you can create Genmoji on your iPhone. So for this, open the Message app. Now tap here to create a new message. After this, tap here and then tap on the sticker icon. Now tap on this icon to create a Genmoji. Now you will have to describe the Genmoji you want to create. For example, I want a cat wearing a party hat. So I will type cat wearing a party hat. Now tap on done. And this will create similar results. Tap on a Genmoji. And now you can use it in your message. So these are the top 3 features of iOS 18.2. So I hope you find this video useful. And for more such videos, subscribe our channel. Also, you can visit our website itechhacks.com for more such tech content and guides. So, see you in the next one. Till then, bye.